We are developing a small Raft-inspired game where you build and fly your own airship, explore flying islands and collect resources. It's currently Wednesday and my goal for this devlog is to add the crafting to our game. I'm not ending this devlog until we have crafting system implemented, so either this video is hour long and sped up 24 times or I somehow managed to do it. Let's find out. Okay, so this is day one. I thought about this a bunch this week and I have some idea how I want to do it. So this evening I will start working on that. First, I like to plan stuff on paper, so when I get to actually implementing and coding it, I have some basic idea what to do. I managed to get the basic recipe structure done. I used the scriptable object to store the data and it has an array of required items and their quantities, and it also has an item output. Creating new recipe is as easy as right-clicking and selecting new recipes and filling out the requirements. Scriptable objects have to be my new favorite thing I learned in Unity so far. They are so helpful in managing data, and if you are not using them, I highly encourage you to do so. I still have some time left today, so I will try to sketch the basic UI for the crafting table. I was going to explain the UI from my notebook, but like, what is this? I would rather use the editing magic. Remember, I'm not going for a pretty UI, I'm going for a functional one. We have two panels. The left one has a list of recipes and the right one will be a detail of the recipe and its requirements. I got it designed in the game and I added a new interactable object to represent the crafting station. When you interact with it, the UI will pop up. It's still broken, but I'm going to leave it for today. See you tomorrow. Hello again, I just finished working for my full-time job and it's time for game dev. I will start with getting the UI to show real recipes and their ingredients, and then we will add the checks for our inventory. The UI is now working properly. It still looks bad, but that can be fixed anytime. When you click on the recipe, the panel will show with correct ingredients and their quantity. The next step is adding logic to the inventory, but first I'm gonna take my dog for a small walk. I got to work right when we came home and this is the result. I added these functions to check player inventory and check if he has all the items needed for the recipe. This next function takes the recipe and it removes requirements of the recipe from the inventory and adds the reward. I got the basics working faster than expected, but now I want to add some quality of life things. I want to add number of items in your inventory for every ingredient so you know exactly how much you are missing. Now all that needs to be done is to add a way of getting the recipe and learning new recipes. I want to add the blueprints to the game, and when you interact with them you will learn the recipe. I need to figure something out, but in the meantime my friend who is doing all the 3D models has sent me the model for our crafting table, so enjoy. I created a new interactable object that will give you the recipe. After interaction, you will be able to craft this item from crafting station on the ship. Also, the player will learn some recipes when he progresses with the story automatically. It's nearing the end of the day, but I would like to get this crafting system working, so let's get it done. I need to add the model you saw to the game and make it buildable. Wish me luck. I managed to get it working, so let's take a look. You can choose the crafting table from the building menu and place it and interact with it. All your learned recipes are on the left, and you can see we are still missing some stones. I will grab them from the island and craft an axe. Imagine you are exploring and you find a new blueprint. When you come back to the ship, you will be able to craft the pickaxe now. Hope you liked this devlog. If you did, consider subscribing and liking, it really means a lot. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!